In the vast expanse of space we call home, things seem pretty peaceful. No cosmic catastrophes threatening our cozy existence, right? Well, think again. Out there, beyond our comfy little corner, lurk some seriously spine-chilling entities. Imagine hiding under your blanket with your trusty stuffed animal, praying the universe stays intact until you dare to peek out again. Get ready to face the cosmic nightmares. We're about to delve into the scariest creatures ever found in the vastness of space. Imagine being terrified of lightning. It's called brontophobia, and with 24,000 lightning-related deaths each year, it's not hard to see why. Lightning strikes pack a punch, around 30,000 amps, enough to turn metal into vapor and sand into glass. But hold on to your hats because researchers at the University of Toronto stumbled upon something mind-blowing. An electrical current so colossal, it puts our lightning to shame. Picture this. 10 to the 18 amps, that's like 1 trillion lightning bolts combined. But what's causing this cosmic electricity overload? Thor's been hitting the gym, right? Well, not quite. It's actually a colossal black hole chilling at the heart of a galaxy named 3C303. Its magnetic fields are doing a wild dance, generating this mind-boggling surge, like a cosmic-sized dynamo. Even if we dodge lightning bolts, that doesn't mean we're in the clear from cosmic catastrophes. Picture this. In every galaxy, there are stars zooming around so fast they break free from gravity's grip and zip through space like speed demons. Turns out, stars aren't as solo as you'd think. Nearly half in our galaxy cozy up in pairs, swirling around each other in a celestial waltz. But poor old sun? It's flying solo, like the kid no one wants to dance with at prom. Now, when these star duos get too close to the massive black hole chilling in the galaxy's center, things get wild. One star gets yanked away at a mind-blowing 10,000 kilometers per second, while the other gets a one-way ticket into the black hole's abyss, like that lonely kid hitting the buffet table. And if one of these runaway stars swung by our solar system, we'd be toast. With its blazing heat and monstrous gravity, we'd be sent spinning out of orbit, helpless against its cosmic wrath. Thankfully, the chances of this happening are slim. So if you spot a shiny dot in the night sky, don't panic just yet. It's probably just a plane or a really flashy pigeon, not the end of the world. Mark your calendars. Well, maybe not for another 3 billion years. Why? Because that's when our galaxy is set to collide with the Andromeda Galaxy. So, best not to plan anything too important around then, just in case. When these galactic giants meet, their black holes in the center will do a cosmic dance. They might merge into one supermassive black hole, or pair up like those stars we talked about earlier. Now, brace yourself for quasars. Intensely bright objects formed from compressed matter around supermassive black holes. These babies shine as bright as 100 Milky Ways combined. Imagine needing that many pairs of sunglasses. But hold on to your hats, because the Huge Large Quasar Group, real creative name, is a lineup of 73 quasars stretching a whopping 4 billion light-years. And if that's not enough, there's the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall, a group of 14 gamma-ray burst walls, which are basically stars on their last legs but shining crazy bright. Bottom line, steer clear of these cosmic behemoths if you value your eyesight. Ever heard of a star going out with a bang? It's called a supernova. When that happens, the star collapses in on itself and bam! You've got a neutron star, a tiny but mighty ball only about 11 kilometers wide, yet packing the mass of 2 suns. Crazy, right? But how does all that stuff fit into such a tiny space? Well, it's not like assembling furniture from IKEA. There's a scientific explanation. Think of it like trying to cram a week's worth of clothes into a tiny carry-on bag. Squish things together tight enough, and they'll push back, creating one heck of a dense object. Neutron stars, as the name suggests, are jam-packed with neutrons. What keeps them from collapsing into black holes is this crazy repulsion between particles, which kicks in at insane densities. Get this. A matchbox-sized chunk of neutron star on Earth would weigh a whopping 13 million tons. Now, sometimes these neutron stars go the extra mile and become magnetars. These bad boys crank out magnetic fields so strong, They mess with the very fabric of space around them. Talk about power. Magnetars are like the superheroes of magnets, ruling the cosmic realm with an iron fist. Or should I say, iron magnet. Stars can be messy creatures, you know. They don't just emit light. When they're done, they leave behind massive clouds of dust called nebulae. Up close, you might not even notice, because it's thinner than any vacuum we've made on Earth. But from afar, we can see what's left of the star. And if we keep watching, we might catch nearby solar systems griping about their untidy neighbors. These nebulae can stretch hundreds of light years across. Unlike our fluffy Earth clouds, these space giants twist and turn into eerie shapes, like cosmic monsters lurking in the dark. Just 7,000 light-years away, nestled within the Eagle Nebula, lurk the majestic pillars of creation. These towering columns of dark clouds are like cosmic skyscrapers, slowly gathering to birth the stars of tomorrow. From humble hydrogen, they'll cook up all the complex stuff we see on Earth. Now, brace yourself for a real space monster, the zombie star. Just when you thought space was quieter than a graveyard, you hear a spine-chilling groan. This eerie entity is no joke. It's like something out of a horror movie. Unlike your typical movie zombie, though, you can't just whack it with a cricket bat and call it a day. Nope, this beast is the result of a starry duo, where one partner is a white dwarf, a ghostly remnant of a star that didn't quite make it to neutron star status. It's like a celestial corpse, slowly fading away on the cosmic doorstep. But here's the twist. In a binary pair, the white dwarf can siphon energy from its companion, reigniting its fusion furnace and coming back to life. Talk about a stellar resurrection. But beware, this rebirth often ends in a supernova spectacle, leaving chaos in its wake. So, when it comes to zombie stars, it's best to find your nearest Winchester, lock the doors, and hope they don't come knocking. Ever heard of vampire stars? They go by the cooler name blue stragglers. Imagine finding stars in a cluster that seem way hotter than their pals. Hotter usually means younger in star terms, right? But here's the kicker. They all came from the same cosmic neighborhood, so what gives? Well, it's like the zombie scenario. We suspect one star is sucking the life out of the other, keeping itself looking fresh and youthful. Forget quinoa creams and kale juices. Forget bloody Zumba classes. Turns out all you need for eternal youth is a hearty serving of starlight. Imagine being an explorer, drifting through the endless darkness of space, surviving on vacuum-dried protein bars and recycled liquids. There are moments when you just crave a good old-fashioned drink, right? Well, guess what? There's a cosmic pit stop just waiting for you, Sagittarius B2. This massive dust cloud within the Milky Way is a whopping 150 light-years long and packed with ethyl format, giving it a delightful flavor of raspberries and rum. And get this, there's enough ethyl alcohol there to keep the whole Earth partying for trillions of years. Now, if NASA's worried about losing public interest in space, here's an idea. For a few $1 billion, let's build a ship and raid God's liquor cabinet. Maybe that's why we haven't met aliens yet. They're all waiting for us to join them at the cosmic bar in the sky. Amidst all these cosmic monsters, we should count our blessings for our humble sun, the occasional asteroid, and of course, all the other interesting folks we share this little rock with. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more cosmic adventures.